Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into cPanel for SSL and privacy configuration, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser of choice. In the address bar, type your domain name followed by a / and panel. For example, if your domain is example.com, you would enter example.com/cPanel single quote. Press the Enter key to navigate to the cPanel login page. You should see a login form prompting for your credentials. Enter your username in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Once both fields are filled, click the Login button. After logging in, you will be redirected to the cPanel dashboard. Look for the Security section on the main page. Click on the SSL/TLS icon to access SSL settings. In the SSL/TLS section, locate the Manage SSL Sites option. Click on it to proceed to the SSL management area. Here, you can configure your SSL for domains and subdomains. To install a new certificate, select the domain from the drop-down menu. Upload the certificate files as prompted. Make sure to include the private key and any necessary CA certificates. After inputting all required information, click the Install Certificate button. Next, return to the main dashboard. Look for the Privacy section. Click on the encryption icon. In this section, you will manage privacy settings for your site. Configure settings such as password protection and directory privacy. To enable directory privacy, select the directory you wish to protect. Set your desired username and password for access. After setting up, click Save or Apply to confirm your configurations. Review all configurations to ensure everything is set up correctly. Your SSL and privacy settings are now configured. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.